Hi, gals and guys. It's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. Just another heads up, another tip for you here. This is my Fan Film Follies website that I've had for years. There's hundreds of articles on this thing that I've been building up. This was a fan site. This was actually my first big site that I ever did. It was actually featured in a documentary called Fanarchy. So I just wanted to show you, if you build up a website with a ton of articles of good value, you can actually make some money. People will contact you, they'll notice your site, and they'll offer you money. And here, look here, $100 from us if you post our article. So they'll send you an email just stating they'd like to make an article for your site. It will bring value to your site, meaning that they will write an article that will mesh with your site, that has a topic that will go with your site. They're just not throwing you any article they want, but it does have backlinks for them, and that's the reason why they're doing that. So for the instance, this is one of the ones that I posted. So I'm going to go in here, and I'll have to find the $100 in my PayPal account just to make sure, just to show you that I actually got it. But I'll do that. I'll cut the video and do that in a minute. But this is what you need to know about using a VPN for online streaming, which is cool because most of my website has movies. They're fan films, they're called. They're basically people that take individual properties and make their own films from them. Can't make any money from them, but they do it out of the passion of the love of that franchise. So this is basically an article about VPN. It's got fan films in there. It talks about Darth Vader, and then it's got backlinks to what they wanted to put in there for their clients. So there you go. There's a bunch of stuff in there. Easy money. I get them every once in a while. It's nothing that I'm going to retire on, but I'll take an extra $100 here and there. I'm going to pause this video real quick. I'm going to jump into my PayPal and show you exactly the payment I got on that. All right, so I managed to log into my PayPal account and go back to April 26th. This was published April 26th. So once I published, it only took a couple days to get payment as promised, so it's just cool. They paid $100. PayPal took $470 out of it. So we got $95.30. That almost pays for my web hosting for a year. So that's pretty cool. And you can go to fanfilmfollies.com. It's right under the Follies news. I don't update this site very much, so it should be on the front page unless it's like this video, watching this video a couple years later. And yeah, just they'll just send you emails. Build, the movie, right? Field of Dreams. If you build it, they will come. If you do a quality site with a lot of articles and good content, people will contact you and want to put their articles on there related to your site. They do it for backlinking. They pay you $100, and it's easy money. So I just wanted you to be aware of that. Keep going for your dreams. Keep building those sites. Keep doing quality articles, and you will also get those emails in your inbox. Okay, extra $100 for you, just out of nowhere, just for posting an article. Easy stuff. Okay, guys and gals, thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe below. You will help the new channel. It's a very new channel, so I would appreciate that. And I will talk to you later. All right, take care now. Bye-bye.